Sicily isn't just Italy's largest island. It's a world of its own. Caught between Europe and Africa, shaped by volcanoes and invaders, this sun-drenched land has always stood apart. It's not just the largest island in the Mediterranean, it's a land layered in surprises. Greek temples, Norman castles, Mafia tales, citrus orchards, and smoldering craters. Sicily's soul is complex, dramatic, and unforgettable. Let's uncover some fascinating facts that reveal the deeper, more unexpected side of Sicily. Number 1. Long before becoming part of Italy, Sicily was an independent kingdom, ruled by Greeks, Romans, Arabs, Normans, Spaniards, and more. For centuries, it stood at the crossroads of empires. That's why today, in one small village, you might see a Greek temple, an Arab dome, and a Norman cathedral, all just a few streets apart. Number 2. Sicily is known worldwide as the birthplace of the Mafia, or Cosa Nostra. But don't expect locals to talk about it casually. The island has spent years trying to shake off that shadow. Today, Sicily is home to countless anti-mafia museums, murals, and youth programs aiming to rewrite its future. Number 3. Located on Sicily and towering at over 3,300 meters, Mount Etna is one of the most active volcanoes in the world. Its fiery eruptions have shaped Sicily's landscape for millennia. Locals live, hike, and even grow wine grapes on its fertile slopes. Number 4. Sicily holds some of the best-preserved ancient Greek ruins outside Greece. The Valley of the Temples in Agrigento boasts temples that predate even the Parthenon. Standing beneath these sun-bleached columns, with wildflowers growing around your feet, you'll feel time itself slow down. Number 5. While Italian is spoken across Sicily, many locals still speak Sicilian, a distinct Romance language with influences from Greek, Arabic, Spanish, and even Norman French. You'll hear it in rural villages, old markets, and traditional songs passed down for generations. Number 6. Sicily grows 80% of Italy's citrus. The island's volcanic soil and sun-drenched hillsides make it perfect for citrus farming, especially blood oranges, famous for their deep red color and sweet tang. Number 7. The street food is among the best in Europe. From crispy arancini rice balls to panelle, chickpea fritters, and sfincian Sicilian pizza, Sicily's street food scene is legendary. Palermo was even ranked one of the world's top street food cities, and here, a few euros can buy a feast. Number 8. On the island's western coast near Trapani, you'll find surreal landscapes of pink-hued salt flats. The salt is harvested using ancient windmills and still processed by hand. At sunset, the pools turn rose gold, creating one of the most magical views on the island. Number 9. Savoca, a tiny hilltop village built into a cliffside, looks like a movie set. Parts of The Godfather were filmed here, and the famous bar where Michael Corleone meets Apollonia's father still exists. But more than that, the town itself feels frozen in time. Number 10. Sicily is technically closer to Africa than Rome. That's right. The Tunisian coast is closer to Sicily than Italy's capital. That geography has influenced everything: the architecture, food, spices, and even the rhythm of life. You can feel North African warmth in the air and on your plate. Number 11. The beaches change with every coastline. In the north, you'll find pebbled coves and dramatic cliffs. In the south, golden sand stretches for miles. To the east, lava-black beaches, shaped by Etna. Sicily has over 1,000 kilometers of coastline, and no two beaches feel the same. Number 12. In Palermo, the underground Capuchin catacombs house thousands of preserved bodies, some dating back to the 1600s. It's eerie, fascinating, and strangely beautiful. The most famous is Rosalia Lombardo, a little girl whose body looks untouched after 100 years. Number 13. You can ski and sunbathe on the same day. Thanks to Mount Etna's altitude and the island's southern latitude, you could literally ski in the morning and relax on a beach by afternoon, all in winter. Few places in the world offer that kind of contrast in one day. Sicily is a kind of place that stays with you, long after you've left its shores. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.